Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is like part 3 of this document color palette, another view or maybe the same one, I don't know. Earlier today, if you click on a color, double click, the editor comes up and you can delete that color from your color palette. Well, just now, I never have really played with the color palette too much, but some graphic artists probably use it a lot. If you will double click on like the last one and then hold down your shift key and select the first one, you can delete all the colors from your color palette. And then you will start rebuilding it when you change the colors. So you can, let's just do a few more. So you could delete all your colors and start over, if you didn't want them in there. So just double click on it. And let's say you want to just delete to the yellow and keep the red. Then you just delete the color and hit OK, and you still got red. And I promise this will be the last video on the document palette. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.